barricade. Whoa, something is cool.
Alright guys, hey listen, tonight Patty and I are working on a spectacular video. We shot a video at Patty's former home last week, a real emotional video. Check it out guys, it is probably the best video that G-Team ever put up. And most emotional video as well. But in that video, a lot of people were contacting us and saying, hey guys, the growls that you're hearing is actually a cat. So I thought that was kind of funny because there's no animals in the house at all. But I reached out to Patty and I said, hey Patty, was there an animal in the house? Was there a cat in the house? And Patty's like, no. I'm like, are you getting people reaching out to you saying, did you see the cat in the house? So Patty's like, yeah, I did. And so we went back and looked at the footage, and what you're about to see is what appears to be a ghost cat in the house that we caught on film, that we had no idea we caught on film. Anyway guys, enjoy this tonight because this is probably the craziest thing we ever caught on film. And, yes. Wow. Anyway, guys, love you so much. Peace.
You hear that again?
It's pretty amazing, wasn't it?
I gotta tell you, I watched that video honestly, I watched that video at least 20 times. And it's crazy. So anyway guys, tell us what you think.
Yes, definitely
it's
tell
freaky,
us what you think.
It's scary. And anyway,
We just
Let's
saw a
hope this
ghost
goes
cat.
viral, huh?
Yeah, we just saw a ghost cat.
We saw a ghost cat.
Yeah,
I
because
thought I saw a putty tat.
we had a cat in that house for 17 years, and that cat did die in that room. We found it dead in that room.
Wow,
And
in that very room?
Yes, in that very room.
Wow. So
It was
anyway,
just laying
guys,
there dead.
hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
We're in Patty's backyard. It's like 2 in the morning. We've been working on this thing all night. We just did the live stream. Now we're out here doing this video, and it's crazy, you know?
It does, and we have my camera way up there.
Yeah, we do.
Hi,
We actually mounted the
everybody.
camera up high, you know? It kind of works out
Yeah.
good, you know?
So we don't have to hold
Hey,
it.
Patty. Did you see that back there?
Ooh, wait a minute.
Is there somebody back there?
It kind of looks like there is.
Ooh, Patty, the motion sensor went off, and
Yep,
there's somebody back there.
It did.
Hey, what are you doing out there?
Oh, who's out there? Hold on, let me get it.
Patty, grab the gun.
Bam.
Get that gun because there's an actual.
There's somebody out there.
There's somebody out there.
Here's the clip. What the hell is going on, Joe? Who is that?
I don't know. You know what? Let me go back there and see. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go back.
All right. We're going to go investigate. I want to know what the hell's back there. The motion light just came on. We both saw somebody back here.
Yeah, that's weird.
Somebody was along this fence, Patty.
Yeah, because the motion light back here by this fence just came on. Oh, God, I just stepped in a hole.
Are you okay?
Shit. Hello, who's back here?
You ready?
Yes. We've got protection
You know what
with
worries me,
us.
Patty, is that people come in your yard.
I know. Well, if they do, they're going to be caught on camera, and they're going to risk getting shot because I'm not dealing with it. They better have a good reason for coming in my damn yard. Hello, somebody out here?
You want to walk a little bit up this way?
Yeah. I know I saw something. And it takes a lot to make that sensor light go off like it
I
did.
thought it was back here. I don't know if you saw that, but there was like 2 people back here. It looked like so creepy back here.
I know, it really is.
I don't know where they went. Do you know where they went?
I don't know either. I didn't see which way they went. I just know that somebody was definitely there. Hello? It's so dark out here. My camera light's not even picking up too much. It's picking up you, but that's about it.
Give me a couple warning shots, did we?
Yeah, do a couple warning shots in that hill right here. There's a hill right here, because that way whoever is out here is going to know that we mean business.
Yeah, there was definitely 2 people I saw out there. I mean, they could be just walking through, but they were by your gate.
Yeah, they were by my gate, because that's where the motion light is.
Let's give them a couple warning shots.
Yep, shoot it right into the hill right here. Warning shots. Okay, Joe's going to fire a couple of warning shots.
Let's call it a day.
Okay, let's
Somebody's
do
back
it.
Here, they heard that.
Yep, they heard that.
All right, Angel, thank you so much. I'm so excited. I did open one gift already. Look at that. It's a bracelet. I love it. I love it. It is so nice.
Yes,
And I see you also got something for Rob here. Rob's not here right now. He's at work, so I'll make sure he opens this up later. And now, the big box.
Ooh.
What is in the big box? And this was so thoughtful, Angel. This is so thoughtful of you. Let's see. That's one thing about these boxes. They sure are taped up pretty good.
Yes, they definitely are.
Let's see what we have. What do you think it is, Patty?
I don't know. Actually, I do kind of know.
I'm gonna take
I'm
a
not gonna
guess.
tell
I think
you.
it's a spirit box.
Ooh, wouldn't that be
Maybe.
cool?
We'll see. In a second. Ooh.
Ooh, what is that?
It's a little box inside a big box. Personalization, it says on it. Let's see what is
Wow.
in the
Let's
box.
see what's in the box.
Oh wow, it's a mug.
Oh wow. Let's see that.
Let's see what it says on it. My first thoughts in the morning is always you. Wow.
What is it?
It's actually... Wow, okay.
It's a picture of your dad?
It's a picture of my dad.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't
I wish
that-
I could see better outside. We're outside and we're getting ready to go trick-or-treating, and
Aw, Angel, thank
that
you
is
so much.
sweet.
That is so,
Wow.
so very sweet. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. I'm going to drink my coffee out of it every day. And thank you
That
so
is
very
so
much.
nice of her. That's
Yeah.
very thoughtful. She sent me one picture of Gary and Mike on it.
Oh, wow.
Same thing, yes. That is so thoughtful. Wow.
That is so thoughtful. Thank
Let me
you
see if
so
we can
much.
get it under the light and see it a little better. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That is so awesome. Thank you, Angel. That is
Thank
very
you,
sweet.
Angel. Love you, Angel. Thank you so, so much.
Yep, that is
And I
very
can't wait
sweet.
to have my coffee out of this mug.
All
right
right.
away. It is so special.
That is
Thank
so
you so much.
special. All right. Thank you, Angel.
Thank you, Angel.